Alright, so magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga G-Libers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Suma. Alright, so Tuesday ngayon at pahinga tayo ngayong umaga lang. Mamaya marami na tayong gagawin. May coaching tayo. Be coaching someone from Tagiga tayo. Okay. Alright, so coffee and pandesal ngayong umaga. Hope na experience nyo po yan. Yung sinasawsaw po yung pandesal sa kape. Okay, so, ano ba yung sikreto? The number one secret sa lahat ng mga online business. Alright. Di ba may mga online business po tayo nakikita? Like, online selling of products. T-shirts, mugs, bags, dress, accessories, cellphone gadgets, and everything. So, that's online selling, okay? That's one. Second, we have also encountered e-courses like mga e-products, e-books, mga yan. Like tayo, meron tayong e-books sa Amazon, and soon we'll be launching our Go Masterclass 1, Go Your Own Business. So, kino-convert lang natin into e-course, okay? So, third, meron tayong online coaching. So, just like what I'm doing. So, nagko-coach tayo sa kahit nasa ibang bansa dito sa Pilipinas, pero malayo, I do online coaching. Alright? And by the way, meron tayong Go Masterclass 3, How to Become a Life Coach. You can also avail with that. So, message mo ako. It's a one-on-one 4-hour session. Okay? Alright, so, yung mga e-courses na it's a business. So, nagko-coach ka, you are earning money, and at the same time, you are helping people to re-engineer their thoughts and actions. Alright? And number 4, meron tayong mga YouTube, yan, so, may mga YouTube channel, like, nagiging business din siya kasi it's a source of income, like, affiliate marketing, advertising, mga businesses, and businesses are giving you, incentives or commissions, okay? And 5, drop shipping, and others. So, maraming course, maraming business sa online. So, yung mga nakikita natin na nagtatagumpay, like Negosyo University, di ba? So, hi Sir John, di pa tayo nag-meet pero one day, sana makapag-usap tayo para makapag-plan, okay? Ng mga future business partnership natin, okay? So, marami pang iba na nagtatagumpay ang kanilang negosyo, online business. So, what is the secret? Okay? What really the secret? You know, there was a time na, siguro, 4 years back, I also launched different online business, but hindi siya nagtagumpay. So, ngayon lang tayo nagtatagumpay. What is the secret of those people na nagkakaroon ng mga online business? Like Tai Lopez, di ba? Ang dami niya ng pera because of online business. So, ang dami rin mga tao na nakikilala natin, Dan Lac, and you know, ang dami nilang mga, ang tagumpay ng kanilang mga online business. What is their success? Ang dami nang nagtatanong, okay? Ano ba yung success, Doc D? Why you became successful YouTuber, vlogger, life coach, and others, okay? So, ano ba talaga yung sikreto? This is just the one secret. That one secret of online business. First, and the only secret, is to build your audience first. Okay? So, bago mo palawigin ang iyong negosyo, okay? Bago yan mag-explode, will give you thousands of dollars or thousands of pesos, kailangan makabuild ka muna ng iyong audience. That's number 1. Because your audience are your market. Ito yung sinasabi ko na minsan hindi laging totoo, hindi laging totoo, pero there are times na totoo to. Na ang market mo, ang magtatangkilik sa mga negosyo mo ay yung kapitbahay mo, kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, di ba? So, sinasabi nila yan, pero not all the times. Kasi minsan, hindi naman sila magpapakoach sa'yo, di ba? Hindi naman sila naniniwala sa'yo, mga kamag-anak mo, kapitbahay mo, kamag-aaral mo dati, hindi sila naniniwala sa'yo. Di ba? So, lalong di sila bibili sila ng product mo, pero ang tagal bayaran, di ba? Tawa dito, tawa doon. So, hindi siya laging totoo. So, para ka magkaroon ng market, create your own audience. Dapat meron, sa madaling salita, dapat meron tayong solid followers. Solid na talagang sa'yo yan. Solid na naghihintay ng mga posts mo sa FB, sa yung page, naghihintay ng mga quotations na nagagaling sa'yo, naghihintay ng mga vlogs galing sa'yo sa yung YouTube channel. Kagaya ng mga Gilivers natin. More than 60,000 ang ating Gilivers, ang ating subscribers. And every day, more than 30,000 ang nanonood sa atin. And we are now more than 7 million views. Doon marami tayong mga critics, madami dyan. Nagpapasalamat pa rin ako. Kasi yung mga comments nila sa akin, negative comments, ina-actionan ko agad. So like may mga comments sila na yung video mo bitin, it doesn't match your title to your video. Minsan di kami kasi nagkakaintindihan ng aking editor, namamali. O minsan naman, wala kang details. So, pag ganun confused sila sa vlogs ko, sa video ko, dinidelete ko na lang yon. So, actually, I have deleted mga 5 videos na nako-confuse sila o nakukulangan sila, nabibitinan sila, at kinagagalit nila. So, by the way, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi lahat na yung tinetake ko as positive. So, I'm improving my videos every day. Alright? So, sila yung solid audience ko. Sila yung market ko. Okay? That's why andali kong ibenta yung aking mga t-shirt. Andali kong ibenta yung aking coaching. And now, meron akong nilaunch na online course, Go Masterclass 3. That's my how to become a life coach. Okay? So, what I'm trying to say is, kasabay ng, if you are selling something, simple lang. For example, you're selling a ball pen, and a notepad, okay? Nagbebenta ka niyan. So, isabay mo na yan while you are building your audience. So, paano ba, the next question kasi is, Doc, paano ba mag-build ng audience? Di ba? Hindi madali mag-build ng audience. Lalo ngayon, napakadaming taong critical. Napakadaming tao na, yung perfectionist. Yung kailangan perfect yung mapanood nila. Kailangan perfect yung mabasa nilang quotes. Kailangan na ayon kung anong pangangailangan nila. Di ba? Ganon sila. Kung anong pinaniniwalaan nila, yun ang gusto nilang marinig sa'yo. Pag nagsabi ka ng hindi akma doon sa paradigm nila, doon sa mindset nila, nagkagalit sila. Okay? So, pero hindi ko sila masyadong iniisip yun. Iniisip ko kung paano mabago yung isipan nila. Pero anyway, that's not our topic. Ang topic natin, so that's number 1. You have to build your audience. Also, second question, the second big question is, how are you going to build your audience? Okay? It's not easy to build your audience. But with this, you can build your audience. Number 1, okay? Number 1, think of serving your people. Think of serving all your followers, all your viewers. When I started my YouTube channel, bago yun, nung nag-start ako ng vlogs ko, website, ang una ko naisip kasi noon, how to earn money through my vlogs. Yung una ko naisip, to be honest with you, sabi ko, paano ba madagdagan ang source of income ko? By writing vlogs. So, sulat ako ng sulat everyday ng vlogs. Thinking that magkakaroon ng ads yung website ko, then I'll be getting paid. So, that's my target. That's my purpose then. But it's wrong. So, mali pala yun. Ang number 1 isipin natin is how to serve the people, how to serve your followers. How did I start my YouTube channel? Anong difference niya sa website na sinimulan ko yung changeforlifesuccess.com. If you remember that, okay? Yung changeforlifesuccess.com, tsaka itong YouTube channel ko, magkaiba sila na reason. Ang reason ko doon sa changeforlifesuccess.com na website is to earn money. Ang reason ko naman dito sa aking YouTube channel is number 1, to serve the people. How's that? I'm a speaker, so nag-speak ako for a year before I start, mga 2 years na before I start my YouTube channel. So naisip ko lang, pag nagtotalk ako, marami nagte-testify that they are getting motivated, nag-challenge sila, so gusto nilang baguhin ang buhay nila, so mapalakpak sila, everything. Sabi ko, kaya lang, limited lang ang tao na yon. Sa more than 7 billion people, 100 million Filipinos, more than 100 million Filipinos. So, ilan lang nare-reach ko sa seminar? Hundreds, pinakamadami na more than 1,000 sa Holy Angel University. Hello, Holy Angel University. So, sa school namin, hello, Asia Pacific. Madami din dyan. Last time, more than 500 eh. Kaya lang, compared doon sa dami ng tao, hindi ko sila kaya marating. So, I thought of having a YouTube channel. Ang sabi ko lang noong una, ang target ko, yung sinasabi ko sa seminar, gusto ko masabi ko siya sa YouTube para mas marami makapanood. Kasi that time, nakikita ko ang dami nanonood sa YouTube. Everybody's into YouTube, di ba? So, yun yung aking purpose that time. I started with the why, a big why, and a right why. The right reason. Because the right reason to establish your audience is how to serve them. That's your reason. So sabi ko, paano ko ma-share yung aking mga principles na napatunayan kong tama sa maraming tao, and that's the YouTube channel. Okay? So when you establish your platform, kung IG man yan, FB, kung YouTube man na gusto mo, or website, kung ano mang platform ang gusto mong gamitin, is dapat ang purpose mo is to serve your people. So, tingnan mo, sino ba yung mga market mo? Kung yung market mo mga estudyante, nakikita mo your products, like kanina sabi ko, ballpen, notebooks, kung ang market mo dyan ay mga estudyante, dapat you serve students. So, maglagay ka man lang mga quotes about how to study, the good study habits of, effective students, how to become an entrepreneur students, di ba? So, pwede kang, hindi naman, not necessarily, galing sa yung coach, yung mga coach pala. So, pwede kang manguha ng mga quotations from other authors, di ba? So, at least everyday, nagbibigay ka nun. So, ay, naabangan ka nila. Di ba? Kasi they are learning something from you. Or, nagsishare ka ng Bible verse about being young people, di ba? How to do your mission in life at young age. Di ba? So, inaabangan ka nila kasi nakikinabang sila sa'yo. Na-inspire mo, namumove yung thoughts nila. So, pag nandun na sila, na-inspire mo na sila, nandun na sila, number 2 is you are building their loyalty. Loyal na sila sa'yo. Kaya nga meron na nakikipaglaban para sa'yo. Yan na yung may mga fans club ka na. Di ba kaya nga, minsan nakikita ko sa comment box ng YouTube, kasi hindi ako masyado pong sumasagot yan. Kasi sabi ko nga, if you have questions, aking FB page, FB account, dun kayo magtanong. O sa cellphone ko, you ask other people na nagtatanong dyan. Lahat po yan sinasagot ko. Wala akong hindi nasagot dyan. So, sa YouTube, sa section po, nahirapan lang ako dahil lagi akong on the go. So, very rare na sumasagot ako sa laptop. Okay? Cellphone kasi talaga yung gamit ko. Okay? So, pag nakikita ko, ang dami nagko-comment, may tagapagtanggol na ako ngayon kasi meron ng loyalty. Yung audience ko, loyal na sa akin. Okay, loyal na kasi sila sa akin eh. Meron na ako parang fans club, G-Leavers, di ba? May pangalan sila, G-Leavers. Pwede mo na yung pangalanan mo sila. Kung anong gustong pangalan, mga cupcake ba? O mga ano ba, kung anong gusto mong, kasi narinig ko yung cupcake kung TV ba yun. So, something like that, okay? So, what I'm trying to say is, lagyan mo sila ng, nakaka-build ka na ng loyalty, okay? So, pag meron ng loyalty, okay? Pag meron ng loyalty sa yung audience mo, may loyalty na sila sa'yo, yun ay number 3. Namumove na muna sila to buy your products. Namumove na sila to patronize your events, activities. Bakit may mga taong bumibili ng t-shirt ko, ordinary t-shirt, na I can change, na pwede silang magpatata, sa akin pa manggagaling talaga? It's not because they like my t-shirt. It's because they like me. It's because they are loyal to me. So, may mga OFW na bumibili pa talaga sa akin. Yung isa, 24, pinadala sa pamilya. Lahat ng pamilya niya sa Mindanao, binigyan niya tigis-tigis ang t-shirt. Wherein, kaya nila magpatatak doon ng simple lang, I can change the shirt, di ba? Why they are doing that? Because meron ng loyalty. That's my audience, okay? Bakit marami nagpapaquote sa akin? 3 years ago, naglabas ako ng poster, career coach, ganun ako. Do you need career coach? For 6 months, ina-advertise ko siya, walang nag-avail. Because wala akong audience, wala akong loyal followers. Pero ngayon, almost every day, once, minsan 2 pa, mamaya meron tayo. Kagabi meron ako, nung Sabado, 2 beses pa ako nag-coach. Sunday, 2 ko-coach ko sa sa Robinsons, Pampanga. So, hindi na ako nawawala ng client ngayon because I already have the loyalty. May loyalty na sa akin yung aking mga audience. That's why they are buying my products. That's why they are buying my services. And that's the secret. Online business, online selling products, e-courses, e-books, online coaching, YouTube, dropshipping, lahat ng naiisip mong online business, kaya magtagumpay niyan if you have your solid, loyal audience. Alright, so how are you going to do that? So I'm doing coaching about that, how to be successful or online business. So message mo ako para sa ating one-on-one coaching, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking messenger. Okay, and by the way, bago tayo mag-end, Feb 9, this Sunday na yan, nasa ano po tayo, nasa Quezon City, SM North, and sa isang big supplier na overrun. Then, Feb 10, yung Bulacan natin, nalipat na sa Robinsons, Pampanga. So, meron pa akong at least 2 slots, so pwede pa po kayong magpa-coach. Then, sa Feb 25, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija tayo. And don't forget, my Go Masterclass 3 is how to become a life coach. Alright, so pwede nating ano po yan, gawin ko siya ng half day. I'm going to teach you. Isayin ko na yan dahil medyo, alam ko may mga malayo tayong clients. So, mag-meet lang tayo sa isang lugar. So, pag-usapan natin how to become a life coach, how to earn money, and at the same time, help people to re-engineer their thoughts and actions. Alright, so thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go.